Hi, good morning. Welcome to Hotel Felicity. My name is Michelle. How can I help you?
I would like to reserve, please.
Sure. So may I ask when is the date of your arrival?
March 3.
March 3. So let me just go ahead and check my resources here. And by the way, how are you doing today?
Very well. That's so kind of you asking me. Thank you very much.
That's good to hear. So just a moment. And may I ask for how many nights are you going to stay?
5 days.
5 days. Just a moment. Just a moment. So may I ask what is your first and last name as well as your middle initial, and can you please spell it out for me?
Okay. Tano Erica and
And may I ask what is your middle initial?
I don't have a middle name.
Just a moment. And may I ask for how many persons is this?
2 people.
May I ask what is your room type?
I would like the deluxe room.
So upon checking here in my end, the deluxe room is available, and the price of the deluxe room would be 5,000. And may I ask what is your home address?
Talisay Circle.
Talisay.
Circle.
And may I ask what is your contact number?
09 87 6543
6549.
21.
And may I ask, do you have any company name or address? Okay. And just for reference, do you have any contact person so that we can call him or her if you're not available?
Unfortunately, I don't have.
Okay. And may I ask what would be your mode of payment?
I would like it to be cash, please.
And may I ask what is your email address?
Erica and 122.
Erica
And
and
yes.
your Erica is spelled E-R, E for Echo, R for Romeo, I for India, C for Charlie, K for Kilo, A for Alpha, N for November, N for November, and E for
That's right.
Erica Ann at
Gmail.com.
So let me just go ahead and do a quick recap here. Your arrival would be on March 3, 2024, and your departure would be March 8, 2024, and you'll be staying for 5 nights for 2 persons, and your home address would be Talisay, Santander, and with your contact number is 0987-654-921, and you availed a deluxe room, and the rate would be 25,000 for 5 nights, and you will be paying in cash, and you will receive an email confirmation regards with your reservation. And do you have any special request?
No, sir.
Okay. So I think we're all set, and my name is Yara Michelle Estembar, and I'm your reservation in charge for your reservation.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.